Hi, in this video I will show you how to pass a call to another person from Wildex collaboration. Here is our call. Answer. To transfer this call to another person, press the arrow button and type the phone number or the name of your contact. If this is the user of the system, I can see the present status of this person, and the status is available in my case. To transfer a call, press the green call button, this one. We can see that a new call is started. The person answers. And right now we can notify the person of the call transfer. So I can say something like, "Hi Mario, here is Elena Test who wants to talk to you. Should I pass you this call?" Mario says, "All right," and I can press the arrow button once again to complete the call transfer. And right now we can see that these two people are talking to each other. Now, if you need to transfer a call without even answering it, here is how you can do it. So press the arrow button without answering the call and type your contact name or phone number, like this. And there is no call button, as you can see, so just press the contact name like this. And we can see that the call has been forwarded to Mario Rossi. And here is one more tip. In some cases, you need to do a blind call transfer. What we saw in the very first part of this video was attended call transfer. This means we made a new call, we notified the person of the call transfer, and only then we passed the call to him. Blind call transfer is when you pass the call without notifying the person. Let's try. Here is our call. I answer it. To do the blind call transfer, I press the arrow button. I type my contact name or phone number. And right now, to do a direct transfer, just press the arrow button, this one, transfer. And like that, I have transferred the call without notifying the contact. That's it. Thanks for watching and see you next time.